through the shell of the goose egg. There is no.
Hello and welcome to my channel, Boo Snakes and More. Today we're going to be talking about amphibians, so please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also watch my other house channel, A&A Snakes and Stuff. My youngest son's channel, he needs toys and games, or my oldest son's channel, Little Chris 10. So let's dive into the video. A species of worm-like amphibian has been caught on camera feeding milk to its young. The creature, known as a coelacanth, lives underground. Researchers believe that the animal developed the ability to produce a milk-like substance independently of mammals, who are universally known for feeding milk to their young. Crustaceans are descended from the same lineage as frogs and salamanders. Hundreds of millions of years ago, their ancestors burrowed deep into the ground. They lost their legs, their eyes mostly stopped working, and their bodies became long and segmented. A modern crustacean looks a little like a long, shimmering earthworm with a head, which has led some to call them icky.
No guarantee on that, but that's just kind of what we.
That's a characterization Monty Anetius totally rejects. I really don't agree that they are disgusting, says Martina Antoninus, a biologist at the Industria Botânica of San Pedro, Brazil. Brazil is home to lots of crustaceans, and Antonio is a fan. They are kind of elegant, and they have a shiny body and a very nice face, she says. But wait, there's more. The particular crustacean species that Antonio and her colleagues studied is called Syphopnins auratus. Mothers of the species give birth to broods of wiggly babies who then proceed to eat their own mother's skin off. Once a week, they can eat her skin, says Pedro Luis Mahana Fratana, a researcher at the Industrial Botanio who was involved in the study. This doesn't seem to bother Mama, and the babies get lots of nutrition from the skin. Carlos Jerez directs the Institute's Department of Statistical Biology and leads the team that was studying the crustaceans. As he was watching this fascinating process, he couldn't help but notice the wiggly little babies had a ton of energy. They are so active, it's impossible to eat only once or twice per week, he says. So the team stuck a camera in the nest and started watching, and pretty soon they noticed the babies were gathering around one particular spot.
Welcome back to NCG Reptiles, and today we're going to talk about...
The babies prefer to go to the tail of the mother, he says, and that's when they saw it. A secretion coming from the tail, a kind of substance like milk. Upon further study, the team found that the milk contained lipids and sugars similar to mammalian milk. It was essentially providing the same function. It's a very unusual form of nutrition for an egg-laying animal, says Mahoney Fatana. The team published their results in this week's issue of the journal Science. Mahavir Wake, a professor of integral biology at the University of California at Berkeley, was not involved with the study, says that this species of crustacean has evolved to deal with a similar problem faced by human babies. Just like humans, the little ones are born long before they can fend for themselves. They're vulnerable, and in order to help them grow while keeping them close, their mother has developed a milkish fluid. This is congenital evolution, she says. Convergent evolution is the process by which very different species can evolve similar traits. But is it really milk? The Brazilian team doesn't say whether the milk meets FDA standards, but it does contain lipids and sugars. Wake says she thinks it counts. If it has all these basic subnutes, it's convergent evolution on a narrative material, and that's what it's all about, she says. Free antizonic crustaceans are a wonderful reminder that very different animals like puppies and underground wormy amphibians can share a lot in common. Nature is very creative, she says. Sometimes it gives the same solution to different groups of animals. Thank you for watching this video, and peace out till the next one.